welcome back. So we had another warm one as we made our way through the day today. Lots of sunshine out there. Here's a look at the high temperatures today at 88 in Scottsbluff, 87 Alliance, low to mid-80s Kimball and Sydney, and Chadron continues to be one of the warm spots at 91 degrees. Here's a look at the current temperature. So we have since cooled off nicely at 64 at Scottsbluff, mid-60s Bridgeport, out toward Torrington, Oshkosh, near 60 at Kimball, Alliance, and Gordon, and Chadron still at 68 degrees. Here's your wind. Right now it's really starting to pick up, flip around to more of a southerly or south-southeasterly direction. Wind speeds right now between 5 and 15 miles per hour. Now, as for the moisture, not a lot across any of our viewing area. We do have mainly clear skies out there, and that is going to be the story through most of the night. High pressure is cresting over us, gave us all that sunshine today. Had a little more of a northerly flow through the day. That's going to pump in smoke from Canada whenever you have a northerly wind. But as the high works its way away from us, there's that strong southerly flow that will lead to a nice warm-up over the next few days, as we have had a lot of sunshine from the high. Another high is right behind that, so more sunshine is on the way as we go through the next few days. So clear skies during the overnight, that wind flipping around from a southeasterly to more of a southerly direction tomorrow, starting off into the low to mid 50s, and then high temperatures for tomorrow should make it into the, say, low 90s in the higher elevations off to the northern panhandle, but some valley locations into the mid to upper 90s across the region. Just a few clouds tomorrow evening as temperatures fall back into the mid to upper 50s to start off your Thursday. And then as we go through the afternoon, high temperatures should be into the lower 90s as we're just slightly cooler as we go through Thursday, but still a lot of sunshine as we stay on the warm side for this time of year. High pressure is working its way off to the east, but another one is right behind that. Some more sunshine is on the way. We're going to keep that southerly flow. As for the cooler air, it is going to stay well off to our north and to the west, and the storm track is also going to move back into the Canadian prairies. That's where the heavy rain is going to be as we stay with a good amount of sunshine. Let's take a look at the current track for Adalia. And here is the latest update. Right now it is a Category 2 hurricane, basically about 100 miles off to the west coast, west of Tampa right now. Moving north at 17 miles per hour. We think it's going to arc a little more off to the east. And here's a look at where the warnings are. The red on this map, basically from Tampa to just off to the east of Panama City, in a hurricane warning, tropical storm warnings now up and down not only the coast of Florida but Georgia, and now it looks like North and South Carolina do have some tropical storm warnings from this one. So as we put this into motion, it right now looks like it will make landfall around 7 a.m. tomorrow, about 50 miles southeast of Tallahassee as a Category 4 hurricane. This model does put it making land at around 130 miles per hour before it holds together and across the southeastern portion of the state of Georgia, falling back down to a Category 1 hurricane by the time it hits the, say, South Carolina border. That is Wednesday at 8 p.m., and then it will just skirt North Carolina before it heads right back into the Atlantic. And even as it goes into the Atlantic and is still together over the weekend as a tropical storm, that is over 40 mile per hour for wind. So we'll keep our eyes on this one. Right now, once again, it looks like it's going to make land as a Category 4 hurricane around daybreak tomorrow, just after daybreak. For us, mostly sunny skies, a high of 98, 95, with sunny skies Thursday, 96 Friday and Saturday, lots of sunshine. Now, our next moisture chance here is Sunday. We'll put it at 30%, 94 your high, and then down to 86 for Labor Day on Monday, with just a slight chance of some showers and storms. And on Tuesday, mainly sunny skies with a high of 84. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. Hurricane Adalia has